Thank you for coming. My name is Jeff Juger. I'm the Director of Business Development. Today we have a slate of excellent speakers, followed by a ribbon cutting, a reception, and a tour of the facilities. Jinko and this factory are in some way connected to each one of us, so I hope you enjoy your time here, and thanks for coming.
So welcome everybody to the opening ceremony. We're very happy this day's arrived. We have sold more panels than any other company globally for each of the last 3 years. We sell in 108 countries, and it's growing rapidly, and we've deployed 40 gigawatts globally of solar and 6 gigawatts in the US. 6 gigawatts is equivalent to powering about 1 million homes. Out of this facility, we'll be producing 2 panels per minute, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we will sell those faster than we can make them, and that translates to about 1.2 million solar panels.
As the world's population grows, energy demands are increasing. We are seeing strong demands across the world. This is our most advanced facility, adopting the state-of-the-art automatic machines. We thank you for welcoming us so warmly into the thriving business community of Jacksonville and Northeast Florida.
Florida has long been a destination for vacations, but Florida is also the premier destination for innovators like Jinkosolar. Floridians are already benefiting from employment here, not to mention the capital investment and benefit to the local economy.
This is the official welcome to Jinkosolar to Jacksonville, Florida. We have 200 jobs, $50 million capital investment right here. Not to mention the intangible, which is the opportunity for Jacksonville to become a major player in solar technology in the years ahead.
They had an aggressive schedule. I mean, I'm still stunned that they're making panels in there right now, given when they moved into the building that was just an empty shell. And wait till you see where it is today. Over the 7 years I've been doing economic development, probably worked with about 100 companies. This one by far sticks out the most in my mind. It's an honor to be here. Welcome, Jinko. Like the mayor said, we're here for you and we'll help you in any way we can.